Hi, this is Coach Abby. Welcome once again to Love Advice TV. Welcome once again to With My Ex Again. Today we're going to talk about a topic that I think is very important, and one of that is that it's called when your ex texts you. What do? Do you return the text immediately? Are you there 100% available for them? Yes. And I'll tell you why yes. I don't want you to disappear from his or her life. I want you to be a presence in his or her life. But I also want it to be with a little bit of time in between. I don't want you to return the text immediately. I don't want him to or her to think that, oh my gosh, I this is it. I have to return the text. No. But you do return it. And you know how you return it? You're kind and you're sweet. And you're caring. And without being needy or clingy. That's so unattractive. We never, ever want to be needy or clingy. We want simply to be that person that they look at us and say, wow. It's the wow factor. And you must always maintain that wow factor. What is a wow factor? I miss her. I need her. I need him. I miss him. It has to be something that you literally feel that absence. And how does that absence happen? Simply by not being around. If you literally are in no contact, you will grab his or her attention. It never fails. I see it all the time. I mean, it's a proven method. And because both of us, you and I, are trying to get our ex back because your success is my success. I just need 100% for you to implement this. And with that said, they will come back. They will literally try 100% to get in contact with you. And when they do, you respond. You respond a little bit later, but you respond kindly and nicely and flirtatious. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to lose him. You don't want to lose her. That's where we're at. So, if you want me to show you a little bit more of how it's done, don't hesitate to book a session with me. My name is Coach Abby, once again. It would be wonderful to get to know you better and for you to get to know me better.